Hello everyone, so today I've got something a little different for you. It's a garden centre tour for Burford Garden Company. This is not an ad before I get started, this is me sharing with you my little mooching session and coffee session this morning. Now what I'm holding is just a little teaser because I'm also going to do a mini haul at the end of this video. I also enjoyed a lovely coffee in their open-sided polytunnel. They've got a new little coffee place outside if you haven't been for a while. Well worth the visit. You can basically sit amongst the gorgeous smelling Trachyspernum, the rustling of the bamboos that they've put in there, watch the birds flit in and out, and then off you go for a little mooch amongst their beautiful seasonal displays. I was really inspired today, so I'm just going to show you a few snippets of what I found this morning. As promised, here's my mini Burford Garden Company haul. Nice big bag. There's not that much in there, so don't get too excited. So here we go. So they've got a great selection of dried flowers there today. Some in the sale, some not in the sale. They're just changing over for the seasons, but there's some really, really great bargains to be had, as well as some beautiful new varieties that they're just putting out. So I got some nice statice. Beautiful white statice, gorgeous seed pods on that. Look, it's beauties, beauties. I also got some corn, and there's some beautiful broom. Nice big bunch, absolutely stunning. Can't wait to get displaying this in the house. Oh. A little bit more statice. That's so gorgeous. I love that. They did have other colours, but I just really like the neutral tones because I think that's going to work really well for my autumny displays. And last but not least, I told you it was only a few items. I got this fantastic planter. It's just beautiful and I can't wait to get this planted up. I am going to do a DIY for this, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss out when that video gets uploaded in the next couple of weeks. But it's going to look stunning. I've got a few ideas of how I'm going to do it, but do make sure you keep an eye out so you can see how I use this in the home. And that's it. That's my tour, my mini tour and my mini haul for Burford Garden Company. And again, just to stress, this was not an ad. This is just me going there myself this morning and sharing my experience with you because I love going there for inspiration for the garden and the home. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you subscribe and I'll see you again next time.